Hello everyone, welcome to Miss J's classroom. Today, we are going to learn how and when to use simple sentences. We use simple sentences when introducing oneself. Hi, I'm Annie. What's your name? Hello, my name is Ben. Nice to meet you. When we greet each other, we use simple sentences. When we wake up in the morning, we say, Good morning. Before we sleep at night, we usually say, Good night. When we meet our teacher in school, we greet her, Good day. And when we go home after classes, we say goodbye to our classmates. When we meet our friends after school at the park, we happily say good afternoon. And when father comes home from the office, we hug and kiss him and say good evening. We use simple sentences when we show gratefulness and politeness. When someone gives you a gift on your birthday, you say thank you. And when someone says thank you to you, you should say you're welcome. If you fall and a friend helps you to stand, you should say thank you. And when your brother helps you with your games and puzzles, you should say thank you. When dad helps you with your homework, you should happily say thank you when you are done. If you hurt someone and let your friends down, or had done something accidentally like breaking your mother's vase, say I'm sorry. It would make them feel better. Now let's try to make simple sentences. Your sister helps you with your schoolwork. What will you say when you're done? Right, say thank you. If you make others unhappy, what will you say? You are correct. Say, I am sorry. You want someone to be your friend, but you don't know her. How will you introduce yourself? Hello, I'm... What's your name? When you meet teacher in school, what will you tell her? Yes, say good day. When you meet your friend at night to read your favorite book, you greet her, good evening. When classes end, what do you usually say to your classmate before you go home? Yes, you say goodbye. When someone says thank you, what will you say? I know. Say, you're welcome. Here's a bonus question for you. What will you say when mom and dad say, I love you? Do you really have to think about it? Of course, you say, I love you too. There you go. That ends our lesson for today. I hope that now you will know when to use simple sentences. Thank you for watching and listening. Special thanks to Nadine for joining our class today. I hope that you will watch our next lesson. Our next lesson is about telling and asking sentences. Goodbye!